Hey, welcome to Digital Age Education. My name is Hector. On this video, I'm going to teach you why and how we were educated to be workers and not really educated in how to make money. This is how it happened. This is how the universities got created. It started with the industrial age geniuses of the early 1900s. Mr. Ford, Rockefeller, Vanderbilt, JP Morgan, Carnegie. These guys revolutionized our world. These guys created the current industries that have covered the earth with their goods and services. With their goods, not services, really. Goods, what? Cars, oil and gas, railroads, steel, electricity, right? These products that these guys controlled, these industries, they covered the earth. And they were growing so fast because they started using machinery and processes, right? And production lines. They got really more efficient in their ways to work. And they were hiring a lot of workers because their growth was overwhelming. And they needed to really keep on growing and growing and growing. The problem happened when every worker was uneducated. They were all uneducated workers. So what they needed to do, the problems were that there was no quality controls, that they were lacking demand. They needed to train them inside their companies. And it was a very complex problem. So they were geniuses, obviously, and had all the money and the power. And they said, hey, let's create a new business. Let's create a new factory, but now of people. And we're going to standardize them to qualify to work for us. So okay, Mr. Ford, what do you need? Oh, I need engineers and accountants and lawyers and civil engineers to build roads and doctors, etc. And I need these standards to meet my needs to create cars. Mr. Rockefeller, what do you need? Or I need chemistries or chemicals, or engineers for chemistry, whatever, for the oil and railroads and steel, etc. So this guy set the standards. And this is what a degree is. A degree is that showed that, hey, look, Mr. Ford, I have a degree. I qualify. I'm good for you. You can hire me. And yes, okay, welcome. And you will get paid. And you will make a good living. This was how the middle class grew and started. The unqualified workers, those who didn't went through the system, didn't have money to pay for their own education to be qualified to work here and be part of the economy, those were lost and poor, right? Those were the consequences. But tell me, in all this process, where did we ever learn, qualified workers, how to make money? We were educated to be workers for these industries, for these systems, based on their standards that they set, right? On the next video, I'm going to show you what happens when machines get really, really powerful and they start replacing people. It gets a little bit more complex. But that's the step. We need to understand what the current problem is to better understand the new solutions, right? Here's the thing. These guys know how to make money. These guys are the ones who understand, have the mindset to create money. And this is what I'm going to teach you. How to think like them so we can create the money and the industries. And or be a better worker and bring more value and more qualifications to your job, whatever you decide, right? So I'll see you in the next video. Don't miss it because it gets very interesting when machines get more powerful. Okay, welcome to Digital Age Education. My name is Hector and I'll see you in the next one.